Have you guys seen this? This is a bird. A bird, is resting there. Oh my god. Take a closer look. What kind of bird is this? Wow. Is that a live or dead bird there? Today is very cold. I can see snow here. And I don't know whether that bird is, sleeping, resting, or having some uncomfortable places for just sitting here. Take a video footage of this bird. You can always find some surprise in the snow, especially in the countryside. I can see lots of prints, footprints, different kinds of prints there. It's a bird cannot already sing here, and I think this cool weather might, be too cold for this bird. It's moving. It's a little moving there, moving down here. Let's take a closer look at this bird. What is this? Oh no! I think it's not flying away. It's standing in the pond. You can see here. Wow, it's flying. It's truly flying. I'm happy that this bird do not get hurt or get, it's alive and very energetic. Yeah.